Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Um, Today we are going to talk or to show about um. I've got something super exciting for you today. Ever wonder, ever wonder how to get free working proxies for everything in this year, especially for Silverbullet and OpenBullet, as you can see. Well, you in luck because I've got the ultimate guide for you. Um, as you can see, as you can see, bullet, silver bullet, and open bullet. Okay, silver bullet, open bullet. Um, Let me install. Um, Here you have a content. You have some guide. Okay, for silver bullet. Here you have the table of contents. You have the info. What what is silver bullet is. What silver bullet is. Features. Try it. Yes, you can try it for free. I I I okay, try it for free. Install silver bullet. What next? Um, you can verify every every single point. If you need help, you can have help from support. Yeah, eh, that's very interesting, guys. That's very interesting. First thing, first, let's talk about what proxies are and why they are important. Proxies act as intermediaries between your device and the internet, masking your IP address and providing anonymity and security. That's very important, guys. In the realm of Silverbullet and OpenBullet, proxies are essential for scrapping and automating tasks while keeping your identity protected. That's very important. To get started, head over to a reliable proxies provider. There are plenty of options out there, but make sure you choose one that offers high quality proxies, what decent speed, and, and uptime. Now, here comes the best part, getting them for free. Yes, I will say for free. For free. Many proxies provide offer free trial periods or limited number of free proxies with certain restrictions. Take advantage of those offers to test the waters and see if the proxies meet your requirements. That's very important. That's very important. Like you can, as you can see, Silverbullet. Now, um, I think you are an ID, some ID that what proxy is. Today we are going to present you two proxies application, Silverbullet and OpenBullet. Yeah, like I said, um, once you've obtained your free proxies, it's time to put them to good use. Whatever you scraping data, testing account, or performing other tasks, Silverbullet and OpenBullet um, make it easy to proxies to configure them. Okay. Um, as you can see, as you can see, as you can see, silver bullet. Okay, let me show you something, guys. If you want to try it, if you want to try it, here's the kicker. You are looking at a read-only version of SilverBullet right now. That's right, this very website is powered by SilverBullet itself. Except you cannot edit anything. That's very important to remember. You can't edit anything, but don't despair. Hit to play SilverBullet. Um, the website. We are yet in this website and login with user SilverBullet and password. You can create an account. Um, the next, you will have a manual to learn how to use this thing. Change log, roadmap, community. You can join the SilverBullet community. You can ask them questions. You can share your experiences if is good for you or if is not good for you. As you can see, OpenBullet is a popular open source software. Open source, this you can edit it. Okay, because you like you can see, as you can see, it's open source. Open source software used for web application security testing and penetration testing. It's primarily used for automating and executing various web-based. Okay. Here we get an image that show um, the interface that this proxies. You can download it now as a consider number to configure the password, cracking course. You can download everything you need at here. There is a very important note you have to read. Important performing those attacks or credential stuffing on site. You do not own or don't have permission to test is illegal. The developer of this website will not be held responsible for improper use of the software. That's very important, guys. You have to meet the 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 copyright. The copyright, that's very important. As you can see, download OpenBullet verify. The verify is very important. Is very important to use. And there you have it, folks, with the power of free proxies and there's amazing automation tools. You will be unstoppable in this year. Just remember to use them responsibly and respect the terms of service of both um, the proxy provider and the platforms you are accessing. Happy proxying, hosting, and a happy proxying, um, and happy automating. Automating that is very important. Is very important, guys. That's very important. Um, Goodbye. Ciao. See you soon.